Let's see how we can easily create a new decision automation project using Kogito and Quarkus plus DMN to alter our decisions. The first step is to make sure we are using a JDK version 11. You can also use GrooveM if you want to compile native. Then we can create a new project using the Quarkus Maven plugin. We can add the extensions for Quarkus decision, Kogito Quarkus decisions, small y, and rest easy for the endpoints generation. So let's check the project that was generated. Here we can see that we have an automatically generated endpoint that is just a hello, and we have a sample decision model. This sample decision model can be visualized using the Kogito extension. If you search for Kogito, you can see the bundle, or you can install the DMN extension also, or the Red Hat Business Automation bundle. All of these should work properly. You will see that in order to decide the base price for an insurance, for example, we would need an age and the previous incidents as inputs, and we can then define the base price. We are using a decision table in this decision node, and the two inputs are of type number and type Boolean. Let's see how we can consume this. So if we run the Quarkus in development mode, we should be able to test our decision easily, and Kogito will automatically generate the endpoints based on the decision resource that is here as part of the project. So let's check it out. Let's open the Swagger UI. And we have the reload resource that was there and our decision endpoints. So if we open the post for our DMN, we can see that it can also define the inputs that are expected by this decision. So if someone is under 18 years, under 22 years, and has no previous incidents, we should see that the base price is 800. So if we need to change this decision and say that actually the price should be 700, I'm gonna save. And Quarkus allows us to leverage hot reload. And if I submit the request again without restarting the server, I can see the base price is now 700. So this is the power of Quarkus along with Kogito and decision modeling, which helps you quickly defining your decision automation solutions plus having the developer joy provided by Quarkus Technologies. Thank you for watching.